Welcome back, Crammers, to question 6. Write down all the factors of 10. So 10 is divisible by 1, 2, it's not divisible by 3, it's not divisible by 4, it's divisible by 5, 6, no, 7, no, 8, no, 9, no, and 10. So we simply write here 1, 2, 5, and 10. Find the lowest common multiple of 18 and 60. So if we write this down, 18 and 60, we can see that they're both divisible by 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3, and 60 divided by 6 is 10. Since there are no longer any common factors here, we simply multiply everything we have here. So we have 6 times 3 times 10. We can simplify this to 18 times 10, and 18 times 10 is just 180. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.